A lot has come to light in the last day regarding Shiba Inu, and things are looking well for the project. The Shiba Inu team has made a significant announcement stating that the token's value might soon exceed 1,000%. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own SHIB tokens. Then, what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? I'll fill you in on all the recent news on Shiba Inu that has driven up their prices. Please watch the entire video from beginning to end so that you do not miss any of the material that I have gathered. 1 million Shiba tokens are up for grabs every day on this channel, which brings us up to speed. Just becoming a subscriber, like the video, and commenting with the hashtag Shiba Inu is all it takes to enter. My best wishes. Now that we have the background, let's examine the chart and observe the Shiba price on October 9th, will we? Approximately 1,723 Shiba Inu units are being sold today. With $469 million in trading activity, SHIB's price has fallen 1% in the past 24 hours. With a market cap of more than $10.1 billion, the token is now the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency. This is not financial advice, and the pricing may have changed by the time you view the video. Here we go with today's video. As the price gains traction, the SHIB burn rate increases by 4,00055%. Shiba Inu is making a triumphant return to the game following an unforeseen price drop on the previous day. Meme coin project parameters such as burn rate are showing a slow but steady increase. At the time of publishing, the burn rate has increased by almost 455% in order to reset the growth parameters. Out of the blue, Shiba Inu start over. Shiba Inu is attempting to reduce its losses after languishing in red earlier this week. At 1,704 units, the digital currency encountered resistance, but it has already broken free. It might be a good sign for the price overall if this level is turned into support, sending 2,903,600 SHIB to wallets that are no longer active. Investors are able to assess the project's overall health by looking at Shiba Inu's continuing reset. More investors may put their money into meme coin as a result of this, which might boost its price in the near future. As one of the most prominent altcoins in the meme coin ecosystem, meme coin is undergoing a rebalancing process with a fresh spin. The Shiba Inu has maintained its status as a pioneer breed. In most cases, the spotlight is on more recent options, such as Nero and Dogwoof Hat. Shiba Inu has maintained its relevance by the pursuit of unique utility across all of its platforms, which has led to a large increase in the price of its tokens. If fresh entrants are seeking a sustainable growth push, they might look to the ecosystem's reliance on Shiba Inu as an example. The search for a successful meme currency will ultimately depend on those coins that have practical uses beyond the hoopla. For the time being, meme currencies that meet this criteria are SHIB, Bonk, and Floki. It would mean the world to me if you could just go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. You can support the channel without spending a dime. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. Surge in Shiba Inu activity. In the midst of positive indications, coupled with other encouraging developments such as lower exchange reserves and more burning activity, is this most recent update. Shiba Inu, the project's layer to solution technology, has nevertheless exhibited indicators of deceleration. As the burn rate increases, the SHIB exchange reserves decrease. The sharp decline in exchange reserves is one of the main causes of the current price movement of SHIB. Data from CryptoQuant shows that SHIB holdings on centralized exchanges have been going downhill over the last 12 months. Potentially alleviating short-term selling pressure on the token, this trend indicates that SHIB holders are moving towards self-custody measures. Overall, SHIB momentum persists, although Shiba Inu activity declines, in spite of the rising price and increased burning activity. Shiba Inu, the Layer 2 blockchain solution developed by Shiba Inu, has demonstrated indications of difficulty. From millions of transactions recorded at the start of 2024, the number of daily transactions on the network has declined significantly, dropping below 10,000 since the beginning of October. The goal of developing Shiba Inu was to make the Shiba Inu ecosystem better by making it faster, more scalable, and lowering transaction fees. A decrease in activity recently begs the question of how widely used the project is and what effect it is having on SHIB's ecosystem development as a whole. Indicators of short-term optimism reducing foreign currency reserves. According to CryptoQuant, SHIB ownership on centralized exchanges have dropped significantly over the last 12 months. As a bullish indicator, this tendency typically means that sellers aren't putting as much pressure on the market. enhanced rate of burning over the past day, there has been a 400% increase in the SHIB burn rate, with about 3 million tokens being sent to an empty address. The effect on the price may be small in the short term, but regular burning may lead to price rise in the long run. Major purchases are on the rise. Into the Block reports a daily increase of 5.5% for the large transaction statistic, which follows transactions above $100,000. This could mean that whale investors are getting more active, which is usually a good thing. The meat of today's video is about to begin. The Shiba Inu group claims that SHIB can see a 1,000% spike in just 2 days. The head of marketing for Shiba Inu has predicted a 1,000% increase in the ecosystem's value within the next 3 days. On Wednesday, Lucy hinted at a 1,000% increase in brand-affiliated assets in a tweet, remarking that the Shiba Inu ecosystem has the unquestionable potential to develop substantially within a short time. While assuring members of the Shiba Inu community that the current price slump would be temporary, she made the claims. Lucy stated that shareholders, particularly those advocating for an established ecosystem like the Shiba Inus, should not be scared off by short-term price consolidations of this kind. Importantly, a broader market decline occurred at the same time that Lucy posted her explanation of the meaningless choppy sheep price. The 13th biggest cryptocurrency asset by market cap has fallen 17% from its recent high of 2,133 units on September 28th due to the recent sideways trend. She didn't say anything about the next few days, but she was trying to show that tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem might see huge surges in value quickly when the bull run starts. This is despite the fact that the price has been struggling recently. From February 28th through March 5th, she had previously documented such a rise. Shiba Inu ecosystem price outcome is sets contemplating Lucy's claims of a 1,000% increase in the Shiba Inu population if the price of Shibas in Doga Killer and Bone Shiba Swap were to increase tenfold. We could think about it. Notably, the price point is far higher than SHIB's all-time high of 8,845 units, which was achieved in October 2021. Plus, if the price of Bone's 40 cents were to increase by a factor of 100, it would reach $4.45. Accordingly, the asset's market cap will hit $930 million, placing it 72nd among the leading cryptocurrencies in terms of market size. If Leash has a comparable 1,000% surge, its present price of $258 will rise to $2,844. Significantly, should this materialize, its market cap has the potential to surge to $297 million, putting it in the conversation for top 180 crypto assets worldwide. 100% increase is feasible. Speculative as it may be, several studies support a potential 1,000% SHIB spike. There have been a number of predictions that the meme currency will reach 17,000 units, according to well-known market analyst Emily Universe. SHIB could potentially increase in value by a factor of 10 from where it is now. She made passing reference to other tokens in the context of the meme coin without offering any justification for her claim. When the cryptocurrency season starts, Shiba Inu will have a jump of 100%, according to technical analyst JD. At the same time, there has been a meteoric rise in positive feelings about the Shiba Inu environment. The ecosystem's assets are expected to rise enormously, according to investors. This optimism is spurred by factors such as an increasing burn rate, an acceleration in on-chain activity, and the inclusion of a liquid staking protocol. The faith that our subscribers have in the Shiba Inu team has led several to declare that they will not be selling SHIB for the foreseeable future, even if they own millions of them, as well as SHIB's practical worth. What number do you have in your hands? Leave a comment below detailing your SHIB holdings.